If you need to reset your password for your Southeast Financial Credit Union account, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the Southeast Financial Credit Union official website using your web browser. Step 2. Locate the login section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your username or member number and any other requested details to verify your identity. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for password reset links sent by Southeast Financial Credit Union. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.